Hey, what's up everyone? So this is my Sundolphin Journey 10 SS, and I just want to show you guys how I installed my rudder on here. My rudder here. So it's just pretty simple install. Whenever I was looking on, when I bought this off Amazon, it was 35 bucks for this rudder. Really cheap, really good rudder. The way you install this, I've seen a lot of people, man, they were building brackets right here and doing all kinds of stuff, but I think the way I did it is the most simple and the most easiest way to install it. So what you're going to want to do is, under here you can see there's a drain plug. Well, you can't see, but I'm going to show you here. So see this drain plug? Let me take this drain plug out just to show y'all exactly what I'm talking about. So this drain plug, there's one exactly like that on this side, directly under here. If you have one of these Rudders and you're looking for it, there's a big shaft under here that needs to stick into a hole or some kind of contraption. Well, this right here is under there. So what I did was I just got a Dremel and I cut this little tab piece off to where it was just a flat surface. And as you can see in here, I got a drill bit that size, ran it straight up through there. That's where I had a hole directly in the center here, and I kind of waddled the hole out just enough to where I can just really push that rod through, the rod on the bottom of this rudder. It's such a tight fit. I wanted it to be a real tight fit, so I pushed it through there really hard. And then once I did that, I took it out of here, screwed that back into here, so it's still got an O-ring and whatnot. Pushed that in there, and on this rudder, you have those two holes that come pre-drilled, but that's not going to work anymore. So you just make your two holes on each side, drill them straight in there with some self-tapping screws. And what I did for my connections, for my rope, got my rope all hooked up in the rudder, and I bought these black, I don't know what they were called, these little black balls. And I got these little zigzag anchors on each side. I ordered those off of Amazon. Those are really convenient. So whenever I'm going out to ride or whatever, I need to go up or down with it. Undo this side and undo that side. And let's see. So this side right here, if you pull it, it goes down, and the other side, if you pull it, it comes back up. And it's so simple and so convenient because you can just wrap it like that. Same thing here, you just figure out some way to wrap it. Not that easy to do it with one hand, but boom. These little balls make it perfect. You got something to hold on to, something to snap in here so it doesn't get out of there. But yeah, it's a super easy install for the Sundolphin. And if anybody who has a Sundolphin who's watching this video, you know that the Sundolphin does not track very well. Mine was always pulling to the right. And I took it out on the lake today for my first time, and it was totally different kayak. The second I put that down, straight as an arrow, I could stop paddling. I wouldn't start 360 and 180 and around straight. The second I took it off, I would see my kayak start to veer to the right. And if I would just sit there, it would start to turn around. I'm pretty sure most of you people are having the same issue. So I just wanted to show you how easy it is to install. You don't have to build some crazy little contraption or nothing like that. You can easily just take the drain plug out, drill a hole, set that inside, 2 screws, boom, boom, you're done. Run you some sort of contraption for your strings. Yeah, that's it. That's how I installed my Sundolphin rudder. Thanks for watching. Till next time, like, comment, subscribe. I know this channel goes all over the place. I'm always doing something different, but me and a couple buddies been kayaking lately. So if you want to see more kayak stuff, I'm still doing the RC stuff, still doing truck stuff. So stay tuned.